Shut up and sit down.
Hello gang. Right, I've been asked by John Henley how to make airbrush cleaner. He's watched me Finner's video and he wants to know how to make some airbrush cleaner. Now, I know there's videos out there of other people making this stuff, probably using similar ingredients to me. And likewise, I've made Finner's videos and they've gone on to make Finner's videos using similar products to what I did. But I've had a subscriber ask me, and the least I can do is offer my subscriber the chance to make their own thinners and airbrush cleaner. And so for John Henley and my other subscribers, this little video is for you. But like I would say, there are other people out there that have used a similar set of procedures, and at risk of being accused of plagiarism, I've decided to put this little disclaimer at the front. Right, John, what you want? Bit of isopropanol, 99.9% proof, okay? So you can get isopropanol in all different sizes. Get yourself an empty bottle and divide it into thirds. So 1/3 and then 2/3 of it, and then you'll have the first third is 99% IPA, the last 2/3 will be your H2O. But if you notice, just after the first third I have about an inch of screen wash, so that could be like 20ml, 30ml, something like that. Okay, it's not an exact science with a screen wash, it's just an additive, prevents youngsters from drinking it. Okay, so first things first, let's drop in some IPA. Do this without knocking it all over the place. So that's the IPA in. Pour the rest that you haven't used back into your container. Like so. Then you get your screen wash. Okay, and I go for the concentrated. Okay, so we got IPA to the first line. Pour some screen wash in your jug. Like so. And come up to your second line jump. Like so. Pour the rest back into the jug. Like that. Now you can use ordinary tap water, which is free, as you know, but I've got bottles and bottles and bottles of distilled water, so I'm going to use that. But again, you can use ordinary tap water, and like I say, tap water is free, but I've got a job lot of this stuff and I'm going to use it. pour that right the way up to the neck, all the way. Like so. Put your lid back on, like so. Give it a shake. And that, my friend, is a bottle of airbrush cleaner. Cost of that is about £1.60. There are brands out there that you can buy this stuff from that's got ingredients in. I'm not saying this is identical, but it's what I use. I've used it 3, 4, maybe 5 years now, and like I say, there are other videos of it out there being made, so feel free to pop along and give them a view as well if you need to. But that, along with my thinners, should save you an absolute fortune. So, as requested, John Henley, how to make your own airbrush cleaner. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye bye.